Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. And I just compared 20 cashback cards for around 15 categories. Starting on the left side, you can see from Amazon to government payment. And we tried to, feed this data to any of the AIs, basically ChatGPT, and got some crazy results. So here are the 20 cards. The cards we compared are SBI Cashback, Access Airtel, HDFC Swiggy, HDFC Life Plus, HDFC Millennia, SC Smart, AU Ultra Plus, ICICI APay, Access Ace, Access Flipkart, Tata New, and then we have Access Cashback, SBI PhonePe Black, SBI PhonePe Purple, Kotak Cashback Plus, Cred Indocent, HSBC Rupee, SBI Flipkart, SC Titanium, and Paisa Save card. So 20 cards are a lot of credit cards, but we try to get the best out of everything. So what I'm going to do is in a short I'm going to explain you, but then at the later part of the video we are going to discuss each and every individual card, which will give you a more clarity, some more like details about is that card good for you. Because if you are into cashback and spending more than 4 lakh on those cashback cards, I will recommend you to switch your category to a miles based card. So let's talk about the things. The key insights which ChatGPT gave from that PDF is this. Fee waivers. Many cards have high annual fees but can be waived off when you cross a certain threshold. Caps and restrictions are there. That is like 4,000 in the Flipkart Access card for 3 months. And then when we reduce the real world returns, the unlimited cards or high cap cards are much more powerful as compared to the cards which give you more percentage in returns. Then PhonePe and aggregator offer us there, like SBI PhonePe Black and Purple card. They stand out for utilities, insurance and daily spends, which most people miss. And better than it looks card, there are some cards like Access Cashback with 5%, 5.6% cashback, or HSBC Life Plus for 10% on food and grocery for online and offline cashback both. So if this video is helping you, I'll really recommend you to use the affiliate links which I'll give in the description. It will also help us reach 50,000 subscribers on this channel, because this is our English channel which we have recently launched, and this is my old channel called Professor Tech. So we have converted into Professor Cardz English. So now let's talk about the best cashback card category. So it goes to like e-commerce. We are talking about Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. So Access Cashback Card is the unspoken winner over here. You get 5.6% cashback over the SBI Cashback Card, which is limited to 5,000 per month. But as Access Cashback Card is, again, I don't think it has the ChatGPT is able to hold this information. But here the cashback is 4,000 per month, which is, again, if your spends are around 70,000 per month, then I think you should go for Access Cashback Card. If you are going for a bit more, then like if you need to spend around 1 lakh, then there are options like SBI Cashback, and apart from that, the SBI PhonePe Black Card, which will again give you 4,000 cashback of accelerated rewards. For 5,000, you have the Cred Indocent Bank, which will give you 5,000 per month on 5% basis. So see how much cashback you need. Like for till 4,000, the option you have is SBI Cashback, and even you have SBI PhonePe Black, which are very specifically good cards. For 5,000, you have Indocent Cred, then you have Paisa Save card, but again you need to spend higher, so that is not in the list. So these are the two cards which will help you get the best benefits. But again, blanketly telling you to get for the best card is not the best approach to do it, because there will be certain categories on which some cards will do better than the others. So on, like example, on food delivery, Zomato and Swiggy, Access Airtel give you 10%, Credit Indocent give you 10%. Airtel's cap is higher but fees is lower. So it depends, as per the AI, it depends on, like, the winner is Access Airtel. But in my opinion, if you see, like for the food delivery options, the winner will be the Access Airtel card till 5,000 rupees per month, including Big Basket. Then HSBC Life Plus will give you better returns if you're like food and dining and grocery you are doing it offline. So 10% over there is a very good option to get. Apart from that, from the new cards, most of the cards don't give you much, but HSBC RuPay card give you again 10%, but your cap is limited to 400 rupees per month. So in this sense, the two cards for food, dining and delivery, the winners will be HSBC Live Plus and Access Airtel. The benefit of HSBC Live Plus is you can get maximum of 1000 reward points, like 1000 cashback per month, and that's a blanket. So somebody from the poll which I ran on Twitter, I was asking about the best cashback card. So HSBC's cashback returns are taken on a monthly basis. So let's say you spend 9,500 rupees, you get 950 rupees of cashback straight away. So that is why it is better. It is not based on transaction basis. So HSBC Live Plus will be a better card for anyone looking to get into the food, dining and grocery spends. So the winner here is HSBC Live Plus. Then rides and mobility, your Access Cashback card is going to be better till 4,000. Then if you are looking for more than 4,000 cashback, that is, you will get it on 5% cashback. So over 70,000 if your spends are there, then the winners will be SBI Cashback, Cred in the sense, which gives you online 5%. Even HDFC Swiggy will give you 5% over there. However, again, the limits here will be a challenging thing, because on SBI Cashback you can spend up to 1 lakh and get 5%. On HDFC Swiggy you can get up to 5% on online spends as well, but the limit is 3,500 rupees. So here you just need to spend 45,000 per month to get the 3,500 rupees cashback. On SBI, to get the 5,000 you need to spend 1 lakh rupees per month. So but again, you need to spend 12 lakh rupees for the 60,000 cashback on SBI Cashback. So that is why I don't recommend you the SBI Cashback card for high end spends. For SBI Swiggy, your cashback limits is at 3,500. So you only need to spend 45,000 per month on the selected categories for online spends and Swiggy. For HSBC Live Plus, you can see you only have to spend 10,000 rupees per month. So that is why those cards feels a bit better as compared to the other cards. Now, if you need something like Amazon cashback, unlimited cashback on Amazon, then ICICI Amazon card will be your winner over here. SBI cashback till 70,000 on online spends will be the winner. So gives you more benefits than any other card. SBI PhonePe Black again gives you 5%. So that is, again, the spends will be less, 60,000 per month. You can get on an optimal spend. 7,20,000 you 60,000 per month. So you get 4,000 cashback, 48,000 cashback on this. So again, not going to recommend you if you spend 7.2 lakh on credit cards on this card. The other cards which you can consider is the IndusInd Bank card, but again 5% you need to spend 12 lakh, too much, not justified. But here the 10% cashback on your not on the food. So what I'm going to recommend you, if you are into the online thing, then Access Cashback will be your best option, because you only need to spend 70,000 per month. That again, it is too high in my opinion, because if you're spending 70,000 per month on credit cards, then you should not go with the cashback cards. That is a very basic baseline. So apart from that, groceries, Big Basket, Access Airtel 10% or HSBC Live Plus 10%. So again, HSBC Live Plus will be recommended for just the reasons I've told you. Offline is a very interesting thing, because general shopping, AU Ultra Plus give you 1.5% uncapped. Others are mostly at 1%. And that is the big issue about it. Again, you get Access 8 with 1.5% cashback, as you can see over here. Then Tata Neu at 1.5% cashback, and then on the offline part, so offline maximum you can get 1.5%. Paisa Bazaar, Paisa Save card is at 1.5%. So depending on your spends, you can go for this. Otherwise, you can go for the 3 or 3% returns with the high-end cards, which generally gives you 3 or 3% and gives you milestone on as well. So offline spends are definitely a thing to consider. If you have high, then Paisa Bazaar card will be the first option to go for. Otherwise, you have the Tata Neu Infinity, you have the Access Ace, and HSBC Live Plus. So these are the cards you should go for offline spends. Then bills and utilities, PhonePe Black card, will be the option to go for, like, because that is the only card which will give you a very high benefits on utilities and phone bills. So as you can see, 10% through the PhonePe app you can get, and that is still 20,000. So like 2,000 cashback. So for spends of 20,000, you can get a 2,000 cashback on the PhonePe benefits. Apart from that, the other benefits is like 5% you can get on the SC value titanium card on but the limits is I think 250 rupees only. And the other options over here is the Access Airtel card, which will give you 25% on Airtel recharge and 10% on the utilities. But utilities have a convenience fees now, so again you get negative, like 200 rupees only per month. So there you can spend on Airtel 1000 and on utilities 2500. So on PhonePe you don't have that option. PhonePe Black Card will give you straight away 10% on the 20,000 spent. So that's 2,000 cashback. So there the winner is that one. So here like on bills and utilities, there is no other option. Like SBI PhonePe Black Card will beat any other card. The second in line will be your Access Atlas card. Then in the insurance category, again SBI PhonePe Black gives you 10% if you transact through it. Otherwise all other cards are either it is excluded or they have not included this, like gives you 1 or 2% at the max. As you can see over here, like insurance is something where most of the cards will say that we are not going to give you anything. There is 2% on SC Smart, 1% on HDFC Millennia, 2 RPs on Altura Plus, 2% on PhonePe, ICICI Amazon Pay, 1.5% on Tata Neu. But it specifically is dependent on which card or company is going to want to give you any benefits on those cards. Then on fuel, SC Titanium gives you 5% fuel cashback, which is the best card for fuel as of now in terms of cashback card. Rest other cards are not going to give you much. And the other thing is otherwise some cards will give you fee waivers, but you have other options to, like, better for better fuel. You can either go for a fuel dedicated card, or you have seen the videos where I've told you how to get the cards from your other cards. Like you can go through the FASTag way or the vouchers way if you are interested. Then there is one more card which will give you I think 3%, that is plus per annum 3500 waiver. That is your Kotak cashback card, which is exactly like 3% cashback it gives you on your fuel purchases, plus 3500 per annum, that is a 1% fuel surcharge waiver. So then cashback, in terms of cashback, like if you have that card, but otherwise it's a very sad card, you should not go for it. And finally, for education payments, SBI PhonePe or SBI cashback card are the only one card which give you 1% or 0.5%. So the recommendations which AI provides, like one for e-com, rides and daily online, that will be your Access cashback card at 5.6% cashback. One card for food and groceries, so that should be your Life Plus card in terms of my experience. For utilities and insurance, it is SBI PhonePe Black, and one card for fuel, that is Standard Chartered Titanium card. So with this all 4 cards, the 5 cards I am going to recommend you, if you are into the cashback game so much, then that will definitely be your Access cashback card or your SBI cashback card if you are into that. But one card which is better than all these cards is the SBI PhonePe Black card, which is like one of the best cards out there. It is going to give you cashback for utilities, for insurance, and that to 10%. Again, a very good thing to have. For the food and groceries and online and offline dining, you can consider going for the HSBC Life Plus card, because that card is going to give you a blanket. Like if you don't have to worry, you just spend 10,000 rupees per month and you get a cashback of rupees 1,000. So that is why, and because it's a complete cashback, that card fares better than the other things. Now, if you have an Airtel connection, Airtel recharges 2 or 3 at your home, then Access Airtel card becomes a mandatory card, because that is the only card which will give you straight 25% discounts on all your recharges and discount. So plus for fuel, you should have a fuel dedicated card, but if you don't want to, then Standard Chartered Ultimate card will be the one card which you should go for. Apart from that, Kotak card you should avoid. So with these 4 cards, like combination of these 4 cards, like in the top you should have Axis Cashback, HDFC Swiggy, or Axis Cashback, because that 3 card will rule the most of the categories. For food and groceries, you should have the HSBC Live Plus card and Access Airtel card for Airtel recharges only. For utilities and insurance, the PhonePe Black card, and for fuel you can use the SC Titanium card or the other card. So these are the options you should go for. And then the hidden winners, as the AI has told you, this is there. Now Access Cashback has a cap, so don't go for this. You will get a very good benefit out of it. And apart from that, I try to do some more calculations. So let's say on Amazon you spend 60,000, Flipkart 30, Swiggy, Zomato 24k, Ola, Uber 18k, groceries 72k, utilities 36k, insurance 50k, fuel 60k, and offline 1,20,000. With this, the total, with the combinations just we have told you, you can get up to 29,000 cashback per year using for these total amount. So now these are all based on the presumptions that you get all these cards. However, there is an alternate of these cards as well. Like if you don't get card number 1, card number 2, go for card number 2. If you don't get card number 2, go for card number 3. So we are going to discuss that on our Hindi channel. That video will be uploaded tomorrow. So if you have not followed us over there on the Professor Cardz Hindi channel, you should consider going over to that channel, which is this one, where you will find the members only video as well. And the last 2 videos you should definitely watch if you have if you are entering the credit card videos. Plus the membership only videos will give you an wholesome exposure to a lot of things you should know when how to use a credit card, how not to use a credit card, like how to get cashback on credit card bill payments, how to book your room for friends and families with your Marriott points, how to use the vouchers which you get with Taj for discounted bookings and all. Apart from that, there are a lot of videos. Go and check it out. For $199 only, you get access to the WhatsApp group as well. Plus you get access to these videos. Plus you get a 15-minute chat with me. So if you have a very specific doubt, you can just give me a ping after you are added to the WhatsApp group, and we are going to try and clarify that out. Plus on this channel, you should definitely subscribe, follow for more such videos. These are high level analysis, and if you don't support the channel, those analysis are not going to go anywhere, and it will not going to give me a good idea about that as well. Plus on Twitter we are at 9,600 followers, so only 400 left to reach the magical figure of 10,000. Do follow us over there. If you don't, then you may miss out on some important posts and videos in the future. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Give it a like if you do like it. Take care, bye bye, see you, and Jai Hind.